Apple is introducing new iPhone 16e model. Apple iPhone 16e has a mind-blowing features, making it more beneficial for users. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. So starting from the display, and there will be Super Retina HDR OLED touch screen display with 6.1 inches screen size that can easily handle the resolution of 1179 by 2556 pixels, 457 ppi and 1200 nits peak brightness. iPhone 16e 4.4 GHz hexa-core CPU delivers the peak performance with the addition of the most powerful Apple A18 3nm chipset. Also, you will get 8 GB of RAM with 128, 256 and 512 GB of internal memory. In terms of cameras, it will be packed with a 48 megapixel single camera sensor. And on the front side, there will be a 12 megapixel front facing camera. There will be Face ID and USB-C. iPhone 60 will come in 3 storage versions and the price is 8 GB of RAM and 120 GB of storage for $599, 256 GB storage for $699 and 512 GB storage for $899. That's all for now and thanks for watching.